LEGO Marvel Infinity Gauntlet 76191 Collectible Building Kit. Thanos right-hand gauntlet model with infinity stones, 590 pieces. The stunning, build and display LEGO Marvel Infinity Gauntlet, 76,191, captures forever the captivating style of Marvel Studios' Avengers, Infinity War and Avengers, Endgame movies. Kyglaring LED lighting set for Infinity Gauntlet light kit compatible with LEGO 76191 building blocks model with IR switch for inductive on and off not include model, standard version. Usage designed for LEGO 76191 model, with this light set can make your Infinity Gauntlet model brighter, make a massive upgrade to your favorite model. Product manual. Our product only provides 76191 model LED light set. The model in the picture and video is not included. Material LED light kit are all handmade and of environmentally friendly material, no burrs and odor, no safety hazard. About power, can be powered by power bank / battery box / wall charger / other device with USB port. The output voltage should be less than 6V. Deluxe LED lighting light kit for your LEGO Infinity Gauntlet set 76191. Note: model is not included. Does it fit? Compatibility: this handmade, exclusive LED light kit is used to light up your LEGO Infinity Gauntlet 76191 set. Model is not included. Product features: Brick Loot's USB-powered LED lighting kit is built exclusively for your LEGO Infinity Gauntlet set 76191. Our custom lights will bring your Infinity Gauntlet model to life and be the talk around town. Avengers Marvel Legends Series Endgame Power Gauntlet Articulated Electronic Fist, Brown, 18 years and up. Avengers Endgame Premium Roleplay Item. The intricately detailed design of this electronically articulated power gauntlet is inspired by the Avengers Endgame movie, part of the Marvel Cinematic Universe. Pulsating Infinity Stone Glow Light Effect. This electronic fist appears to teem with tremendous power. When activated, the power gauntlet's 6 infinity stones pulsate with glowing light. Avengers Endgame movie-inspired sound effects. Pushing the infinity stone at the center of the power gauntlet activates sound effects inspired by the Avengers Endgame movie. ANGFJ LED light for LEGO 76191 Infinity Gauntlet Collectible Building Kit. Decoration lights for Thanos Gauntlet model, DIY lighting for Infinity Stones, not include LEGO set. Usage: the light set is used to light up LEGO 76191 Infinity Gauntlet, not include the LEGO set. Safety material: this 76191 LED light kit are all handmade and of environmentally friendly material, no hidden safety hazards such as burrs and odors.